In this video, I'm going to show you how to make emails mobile-friendly in Mailchimp, step by step, so your campaigns look clean, readable, and professional on smaller screens. This is especially important because most people check email on their phones first, and if your design is hard to read on mobile, you can lose clicks and engagement very quickly. So if you want your emails to look better and perform better, this tutorial is for you. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Mailchimp tutorials and simple software walkthroughs. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the email editor in Mailchimp for the email you want to make mobile-friendly. You need to open the campaign or template that you're currently working on, because all of the mobile edits will happen inside the editor. Once you're in the correct email, take a moment to look over the layout and make sure you're editing the right campaign before making any changes. Next, look at the top middle area of the editor and click the mobile icon. This switches your view from desktop to mobile preview, which is the easiest way to see how your email will appear on a phone. This step is important because something that looks great on a desktop monitor can feel crowded, too wide, or hard to tap on a mobile device. When you switch to the mobile view, you'll be able to spot issues much faster. Now that you're in the mobile view, begin editing your email accordingly for mobile. Check the text size, spacing, images, buttons, and content blocks. If anything looks too large, too small, or too tightly packed, adjust it so it reads smoothly on a phone screen. Keep paragraphs shorter where possible, make buttons easy to tap, and make sure images don't overwhelm the layout. If your email has multiple sections, scroll through each one and confirm that the design still feels balanced in the mobile preview. As you review the email, pay close attention to anything that may cause readability issues. Long lines of text can become overwhelming on mobile, so break up content into smaller chunks. If you have side-by-side content blocks, check whether they stack properly. If a heading is too big or a button is too narrow, adjust it so the user has a better experience on a smaller screen. The goal here is simple. Make the email easy to read, easy to scan, and easy to interact with. Once you're happy with the mobile formatting, click Save and Exit. This ensures all of your changes are stored properly before you leave the editor. After that, your email is ready to go with a cleaner mobile-friendly layout that should look much better for subscribers using phones and tablets. And that's it. You've now learned how to make emails mobile-friendly in Mailchimp in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Mailchimp guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.